Hi, everyone. I get a lot of questions about my name and my travels to Africa. So today I'm going to explain it to you. I am an Isese Priestess. Isese dates back 8,000 years. Isese is a traditional African study of God. And no, I didn't wake up and say, this is what I want to be. I was chosen from conception to be a priestess. This is my life's purpose. I have been practicing my whole life. And if you know me and have a personal relationship with me, this makes a lot of sense now. I have always been a problem solver, wanting to fix everything and fix everybody. I've always offered my help, even when at times nobody asked me. I've been seeking justice for the unjust, providing knowledge to the misunderstood, giving my last to the unexpected, and being forgiven to the unforgivable, smiling and hugging and giving honors and recognition to those who have been dishonored. Yet I'm not perfect. And if you've gotten on my bad side, you know this all too well. Little Miss Boss Baby. Yeah, she thinks she knows everything. And sometimes, well, most of the times, I want it my way. And, the thing about that is, I am a born leader that knows when to lead and also knows when to follow. My name is Selena Jones, aka Daisy, aka Ifawuyi Dunmonmi. In short, it means God's most precious one. My ancestors guide and protect me. And the same as before, I want to help you and bless you with the guidance of your ancestors. You can have anything you want in this life if you just simply ask for it. With honorable intentions, direct focus, and love in your heart. So don't be shy. Call me or DM me. And the best part is, no matter what your religious faith is, I can offer assistance to help get you over these troubling times. I also have a course. It's called the 4-Step Cure. It covers financial, mental, physical, and the spiritual aspects of life. It is a guided self-help course that creates a space for you to manifest your dreams, find your life purpose, and most importantly, help you connect with your inner self. For more information, just DM me. I'm here waiting for you. I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.